ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। नत्वा सरस्वतीं देवीं शुद्धां गुण्यां करोम्यहं पाणिनीयप्रवेशाय लघुसिद्धान्तकौमुदीम्। Hari Om. We have finished Ajanta Pullinga, Strilinga, Napunsakalinga Prakarana, and we are entering into Halanta Pullinga Prakarana. Now hereafter Halanta Pullinga, Halanta Strilinga, Halanta Napunsakalinga. That's how the three Prakaranas will be there, and together Subanta Prakarana is called Shadlinga Prakriya or Shadlinga Prakaranam or Shadlingi. That's how it is said. So here we are in the fourth linga, Halanta Pullinga. Two more are remaining, this and two more. Okay. So now we started already with one Shabda. That Shabda we finished. Very easy. Generally, I don't know if you observe, one or two sutras are there. Otherwise, the Prakriya wise, the Shabda, wherever there is Ajadi Pratyaya, generally it gets connected as it is, no change. Only with this Haladi Pratyayas, some Prakriya will be there. Otherwise, everywhere, whenever there is Ajadi, the Shabda is connected as it is. So it is very easy, or sometimes even when we are teaching grammar, some of the people, they teach Halanta Shabdas first. In Strilinga also there is no difference. Strilinga, Pullinga forms will be almost same. For Napunsakalinga, this Numa Agama will come. Otherwise, all other Strilinga, Pullinga, Halanta Shabdas will be easy to decline. Now, let's come to file. I have shared new file. I hope everyone got that file. Kodha was the sutra, the first sutra of Halanta Pullinga Prakarana. Hasya dhasyat jali padantecha, whenever there is jaladi pratyaya and whenever there is padanta hakara. The hakara, it is the anga or the last letter of anga shabda or pratipadika, getting followed by jhaladi pratyaya, or it is at the end of pada. Then that turns into gha. Dha. That was the niyam, and that's how lih dhatu, after using quip pratyaya or attaching quip pratyaya, lih became lih, turned it into this lih turned into pratipadika from dhatu. Now we were declining it, lih, the one who licks or the one who tastes. Now that lih su disappeared, and it disappeared, lih itself became the pada, and hakara became padanta. Hakara turned into dhakara, dhakara turned into dakara, dakara turned into optionally in takara. Okay. So that's how we got two forms, lit and lid. Then lihav lihaha, and whenever there was this haladi pratyaya, the vodha sutra was applied, and then at the end saptami bhakti bahuvachana, there one more sutra which we had seen in the Sandhi Prakarana, Dasya Dhut. This Dasya Dhut sutra came, and dhut agama was brought optionally whenever there was sakara after dakara. There was situation when this hakara turned into dhakara, dhakara turned into dakara by jalan jashonte, and after turning that dhakara into dakara, dat parasya sasya dhut, dhut agama vikalpena kritah. So thus we brought the dhut vikalpena, once we brought, once we did not, and that's how one form we got lit su, the turns into takara after that. Okay, when there is this sa is getting connected to it because of Kharicha Sutra. When we bring this dhut agama, then it becomes like lid su, liha su turns into lid su by kodha. Then jhalan jashonte, lid turns into lid su. Then dasya dhut, dat parasya sasya dhut, sakara gets dhut agama, lid dhut su, then only dhakara remains, lid dha su, dha turns into takara by Kharicha, lid ta su. Then because that takara is there, this Kharicha Sutra gets applied in the case of dakara. Dakara also turns into takara, lit ta su, lit su. So lit su. These two optional forms we got because dasya dhut is optional. That's how we finish the this hakaranta pullinga shabda liha. Now further next shabda we are going to decline. We have not read this next sutra. Yes, no? Did we start this sutra? Huh?
No.
Okay.
No, Ji.
Okay. So there is one dhatu, this duha prapurane, that is the dhatu, to milk. That is the meaning of this dhatu. Duha prapurane, to milk. Now dogdhi, dugdha, duhanti, that's how it is declared. It is from Dvitiya Gana dhatu. Duha इदं हि भाषामि मध्ये मध्ये नैव कार्यं करोति कदाचित्. Quip. In this situation, quip disappears and just duh remains. Meaning is the one who milks. That is the meaning. Okay, the one who milks is the meaning of duha. Now duha we are supposed to declare. Duha dhana. Duha we are declining. Duha dhana su. Here it is pullinga prakriya we are doing. Duha dhana su. Ukara will disappear by upadesha janonasikait tasya lopah. Just sakara will remain. Duha dhana sa. Sakara will also disappear by sutra. This is one of the sutra which will continuously get repeated throughout this halanta prakriya. For halanta pullinga,
हल्ग्याभ्यो सुतिस्य अपृक्तं हल्.
हल्ग्याभ्यो दीर्घात् सुतिस्य पृक्तं हल्. So halantat. Sakara disappears. Aprukta hal sakara of su tc. Here it is of c. So here it is of su, that disappears, and we get just duha. Now duha is pada because of suttingantam padam. That's how it gets pada saudnya. Hakara is padanta. Padanta hakara is there, and our rule is what? Khodha is the rule. Khodha हकारस्य झलि पदान्ते च ढकारस्यात्. हस्य ढस्यात् झलि पदान्ते च. पदान्ते हकारस्य ढकारस्यात्. That is the rule. Here also it should get applied. झलि पदान्ते च हकारस्य ढकारस्यात्. But in that situation, this sutra is read. Let's read the sutra. दादेर धातोर घः. दादेर धातोर घः. दादेर धातोर घः. दादेः धातोः घः झलि पदान्ते च. This is 32 sutra. Sometimes it works very slow. What? There is a group of sutras. Khodha, Dader, Dhaturgah, Va, Druham, Mosh, Niham. This, they will come together. I will write here. Here. Khodha, Dader, Dhaturgah, Va, Druham, Mosh, Niham. These are the three sutras which we are going to see hereafter. Khodha we have already seen. Now Dader, Dhaturgah. Khodha sutra we understood. What is there? Hakarasya dhakarasya. When jali padante cha. Here there is jali. Okay. So jali anuvritti comes from here. Jali padante cha hakarasya dhakarasya. Jali padante cha hakarasya ghakarasya dadehe dhatoho. Dhatu which begins with dakar, the आदिहि येषां ते दादयः और यस्य सह दादिः तस्य दादेः धातोः हकारस्य झलि पदान्ते च घः स्यात्. दादेः धातोः झलि पदान्ते च. उपदेश just ignore. धातोः हस्य घः स्यात्. Let's write it here. दादेः धातोः अन्ते च घः स्यात्. ओ ढः इत्यस्य अपवादः. Khodha was telling that do dhakara, but this sutra is telling that no, Do ghakara if dhatu is starting with dakara. That's how dadehe dhatoho hasya ghasya when jali padante. Now one word is used, upadeshe. Upadeshe jali padante cha dadehe dhatoho hasya ghasya. Upadesha is adya uchcharana. For now, just we have to remember this much, that Upadesha is adya uchcharana when Maharshi Panini pronounced them. That's how we can say. Adyanam Trayanam Muninam Uchcharanam Yat Tad Upadesha. Okay, that is Upadesha. So Dhatu Patha is considered as one of the Upadeshas, as we had seen already in the beginning. So Dhatu in the Upadesha read with Dakara, ending with Hakara, having Pada Saudhnya. If it is followed by Jhaladi Pratyaya, or if there is nothing after it, then that Hakara will turn into Ghakara and not into Dhakara as per the Hodha Sutra. That is the meaning of this sutra. Our Dhatu is ending with Hakara. For now, here Duha, Hodha Sutra was applicable. All the conditions which are required for Hodha are fulfilled, but yet that sutra is not applicable because of Dadir Dhaturgaha. Dadir Dhaturgaha Sutra tells, if Dhatu is starting with Dakara, then Hakara, the ending Hakara of that Pada, that Hakara will turn into Ghakara. So here, instead of turning that Hakara into Dhakara, we will turn it into Ghakara. Dugh. Duha will turn into Dugh. Sutra is Dadir Dhaturgaha. I didn't ask. Jali padantecha upadeshe dadehe dhatoho hasya gah syat is not there. Kriya pada we will add. And in the sutra just dader dhatur gah it is said. Gah is prathama vibhakti. Dadehe dhatoho is shashti vibhakti. And we have to understand hakarasya, because ha comes from the previous sutra, Hodha Sutra. Okay. So that's how we get the complete sutra and the vritti. The sutra, vritti and meaning is clear of the sutra. So let's move. Instead of turning Hakara into Dhakara, we turned it into Ghakara. Dader Dhatur Gha by this sutra. It is apavad of Hodha Sutra. Now, Dugh. This is the form. What will happen now? By the way, sutra is required, but for now, the further steps will be Ghakara will turn into Kakara and it will turn into Gakara. First it will turn into Gakara, then it will turn into Kakara. This Jalan Jashante and Vavasane. Jalan Jashante, Ghakara will turn into Gakara. Vavasane, it will turn into Kakara. Shartva will happen. But in this situation, one more sutra is there. Little bit stretched meaning is there of this sutra. Let's read this sutra and then we will come back to this Dugh. Okay. Further steps we are familiar with, but one more step is added in between. This is just particularly for this particular group of dhatus. Let's read. Ekacho basho bhash jhasantasya dvoho. Ekacho basho bhash jhasantasya dvoho. Ekacho basho bhash jhasantasya dvoho. Ekachah bashah bhash jhasantasya dvoho. Dvoho is nimitta, saptami bhakti vivachana. This jhasantasya shashtyanta ekvachana, bhash prathama vibhakti ekvachana, bashah this shashti vibhakti ekvachana, ekachah again shashti vibhakti ekvachana. Let's understand what is the meaning of this sutra. For now, we have the condition, or we are at this step, Dugh. And sutra was Dader Dhatur Gha. By that sutra, we turned Hakara into Ghakara. In this situation, what sutra is telling? This current sutra is telling बशः भश भश main sentence or main statement in this sutra that bashah sthane bhash syat. In the place of bash, bhash letters will come. Bash is ba, ga, da, da. Bash is bha, dha, dha, and dha. Bagadada and bhagadada. So bagadada, these four letters will be replaced by bha, gha, dha, dha. Bashah sthane bhash syat. Mukhya karya is over. Now we have to see the nimitta. And further this bash will be defined, or the adjectives will be given to bashah. What type of bash, or the part of what anga, etc., that will be explained. Now how, what is that? Let's see. Bashah bhash syat झषन्तस्य एकाचः एकः अच् यस्मिन् सः एकाच्. Okay, or yasya, yasmin, that which has only one ach, that is called ekach. Okay, that which has one ach is called ekach. That can be varna samuha. So here let's understand ekachah, ekach varna samuha. Varna samuha. So that varna samuha, the group of letters in which one ach is there, one ach, one vowel is there, ekach. It is a varna samuha, it is a group of letters, and it has only one ach. Okay, group of letters, and it has only one ach. That much is clear. That group of letter should end with jhash. Again, that group of letter which has one ach ending with jhash. Okay, so here we will write ekach varna samuhah yasya ante jhash varnah. एकाच वर्ण समूहः यस्य अन्ते झष् वर्णः अस्ति. कस्य, तस्य वर्ण समूहस्य अन्ते किम् अस्ति? झष् वर्णः अस्ति. तस्य एकाचः, तस्य एकाचः, तस्य एकाचः. Okay, तस्य झषन्तः, झषन्तस्य एकाचः. We got this झषन्तस्य एकाचः here. एकाच वर्ण समूहः यस्यान्ते झष् वर्णः अस्ति, तस्य झषन्तस्य एकाचः. That's how we came to झषन्तस्य एकाचः. This झषन्तस्य एकाचः is clear. We need a varna samuha, group of letters, which has one ach and which is ending with jhash letter. Okay, so these many things are defining it. This much, ekach, jhashanta, varna samuha. Now, the bash letter of that type of varna samuha. Varna samuha which has ekach, which is ending with jhash letter, and that has, if that varna samuha has Bash letter, that particular bash letter is replaced by bhash letter. Okay. Again, I will repeat. Varna samuha, which has one ach, ek ach, ends with jhash, and it has somewhere bash letter. That particular bash letter will be replaced by jhash letter. Sorry, this bash letter. Okay. So bashah sthane bash syat. That bash should be a part of eka jhashanta varna samuha. That should be a part of eka jhashanta varna samuha. Done? Much is clear? Okay, I will repeat once. Bash, which is a part of that type of varna samuha, the group of letters, which has only one ach and ends with jhash letter. Okay, that bash will be replaced by bhash letter. Clear? This much line is clear?
SG.
Now one more adjective we have to add. That should be a part of dhatu. What? That varna samuha should be a part of a dhatu. There is a dhatu. Now how the cycle will go? There is a dhatu which has ekach varna samuha. That ekach varna samuha ends with jhash letter, and in that varna samuha somewhere there is bhash letter. That particular bhash letter is going to get replaced by bhash. Clear? This much is clear? So here oho dhatoho avayavasya dhatoho avayavasya ekacha avayavasya jhasantasya ekacha. That's how it will go. So it is a part of dhatu. What is a part of dhatu? That samuha is a part of dhatu. Samuha ends with jhash letter, has only one ach, and somewhere there in that samuha there is bhash letter. That bhash letter is going to get replaced by bhash letter. This much is clear. Now the sthani is clear. Adesha is clear. Sthani, lots of adjectives we saw and it was specified. Now Adesha also is clear. Now we are going to the nimitta. Nimitta is remaining. What is the nimitta? Sascha, dvascha. Here, there is dva pratyay will come when we will decline dhatu for atmanepadi. Atmanepada dhatus, when we will decline, that time that will come. Till that, we will just see the sa. Okay. So sadi pratyaya. Whenever there is sadi pratyaya or sakara is there in front of it, that time, okay, sakara is nimitta. Se pare sati. That's how we can say. Se pare sati. Sakara is there. So dhatoho avayavasya jhasantasya ekacha bashah bhash syat kada. E pare sati. Okay, when there is sakara in front of it. Clear? This meaning is clear. Just forget about dva. Dva is also one more nimitta, but for now it is not going to come. That's why we'll just remove. Just we will see the se. Sakar. Sadi pratyay is there. So whenever there is a dhatu which has ekach varna samuha which ends with jhash letter, varna samuha which has somewhere bhash letter, that particular bhash letter will be replaced by bhash letter if it is followed by this sakara. Say, so is there sakara, sadi pratyay. Clear? This is one condition. This is clear?
SG.
Now, next is padantecha. If there is condition padantecha, if the pada is ending there itself. If there is sakara in front of it, if there is dhva pratyay in front of it, or if there is nothing after it. If there is nothing after it. Okay, this is third condition. Sa, dva and padantatva. These are the three conditions. These three conditions, the bash will be replaced by bhash. Our example is this. Dugh. Correct. Now, dugh is a part of dhatu. Okay. So it is dhatu. For now, we have got dhatu. Now, in this dhatu, we have to find out ekach varna samuha. Ekach varna samuha is that, suppose there is vowel is there. Okay. So it includes the preceding following letters. That is grihita by ekach. Okay. Now, this, suppose there is one shabda, Rajan. So this akara, rakarottarvarti akara can do the grahana of refa as well as jakara. Jakarottarvarti akara will do grahana of jakara as well as nakara, preceding following letters. So that's how one varna samuha is taken. So here varna samuha is there. Now in dugh dhatu, we have to find out the varna samuha. That varna samuha which ends with jash letter, it is a part of dhatu, ends with jash letter, and it has somewhere bash letter. Okay, so ekach varna samuha. So in this dugh, we find dugh itself as a varna samuha. Okay. It is a part of dhatu. Correct. It is not out of the dhatu. It is a part of dhatu. Whole dhatu itself, there is one niyama vyapyadeshivat bhava. So if there is only one son to the Devadatta, Devadattasya eka eva putraha, sayava jyeshtha, sayava kanishta. So he is the elder, he is the younger. That's how Vyapadeshivat bhava, there is only one varna samuha of this dhatu. That itself is taken as the part of that dhatu. So dugh itself becomes a part of dhatu. That's how. Now this is a part of dhatu, ends with jash letter. Ghakara comes in the jash. Jha, bha, gha, dha, dha. So gha comes. So it is jashantanga. Ekach. Jashanta. Correct. And there is bash letter somewhere in that ekach varna samuha. Yes, dakara is there, which is bash varna. Here we can see bash varna da is there in the dugh. So the, which was defined by these many adjectives. Correct. Now that dakara is sthani for us in this particular example. What we are going to do, that dakara? That dakara will be replaced by dhakara. Why? The nimitta is jali padantecha. There is no jal, not jal. Say dve. There is no sa pratyaya or sadi pratyaya. There is no dhva pratyaya. So there is what? Nothing is there. It is padanta. Situation what we have got here is padantatva. Because of that, that dakara, which is ekach varna samuha jashantasya dhatoho avayavasya, will turn into bhash. The will turn into the. Acho, bhash. Oh. Dugh turned into dugh is clear.
Yes, Ji.
Now our regular two steps. What will happen now? Dugh is the situation. Now what will happen next?
Jalam Jashanti.
Right. Jashonte. Then one more.
Duk by Khari Vavasane.
Dug. Dug. Vava. Sane. Jalan Jashonte. Duk. Vavasane. Chartva and Jashtva. That's how. First, Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachan form is declared. Now, what is there? Duha, Dhana, Au. Answer is Sutra is clear now? Sutra, Vritti, meaning is clear of this Sutra?
Yes, Ji.
There is one question which is raised, which is taken for discussion in the Siddhanta Kaumudi. Dhatoho adhikara is there. Dhatoho anuvritti comes. So ekachah dhatoho, that's how we are not supposed to take. But dhatoho ekachah, that's how we have to understand. Okay, the meaning changes. Ekachah dhatu, if we take ekach as an adjective of dhatu, ekachah is in Shashti Vibhakti, dhatu is in also Shashti Vibhakti. So instead of taking this ekachah separate, if we take it as an adjective of dhatu, ekachah dhatu, then there will come the problem. That's why to avoid that future problem, there is one problem. To avoid that, the meaning is given, or we have to take it like this, that dhatoho ekachah jashantasya avayavasya. Okay. Jashantasya avayavasya varna samuhasya avayavasya. That's how we have to take. So ekachah is not an adjective of dhatoho. That much we have to remember. Okay. That will make easy. So if we take it as adjective, there will be the problem. So dhatoho ekachah, that's how we have to take. Ekachah dhatoho, no. Duha dhanajas. What will be the answer? Correct.
Duha.
Duha dhana
Duham.
dhana out.
Duhau. Duhaha.
Dhana shas. Duha.
Duha.
Duha dhana ta.
Duha.
Duha dhana dhyam. What will happen here? Duha.
Dugbhyam.
Dadhe dhat.
Okay. But what will be the first? What will be the next step now? Duha dhana dhyam.
Dade dhatur gaha.
Correct. First we will have to do gha. Then dhyam. Sutra is dader dhatur gha. Now
Dakara will be replaced by Dhakara.
dakara will be replaced by dhakara. Sutra is
Vashobhash jashantasya sthoho.
ekacho bashobhar jharantasya dvoho. Now what will happen?
Ghakara will be replaced by Gakara.
Sutra
Jalam Jashwante.
correct. Form is ready. Dhubhyam. Now, dhana bis. What will happen?
Dorgaha.
Huh? No hodha.
Same
Huh?
code. So dugbihi. So first is do de
By sutra.
do der dhatoh gah.
Dadir dhator gah. Then
Dhug
Jashantasya.
ekacho basho bhash jashantasya
ho. Then
dugbhis by jalam.
Om Jashantasya.
सजुषोरुः खरवसानयोर्विसर्जनीयः दुग्भिः व धन ङे
दुहे
दुह धन भ्याम
dugbhyam, then dhugbhyam
Dugbhyam.
and dugbhyam.
दुग्भ्याम सूत्र इज
दाधेर धातोः गः
देन
धु एकाचो बशो जशन्तस्य धोः
Both sides missing G. Ekacho basho bhash Jashantasya. Dugbihi in that.
का जो शोभन जखन
previous bis, no, for bis there.
this where
Ekacho basho, that sutra you have written there, sakara, halan sakara is missing for dhoho.
अच्छा here अच्छा okay now sutra is dug turn into dug sutra is
Kalam just
form is ready dug duh dhanam yes what will happen
Dadir dhatur gaha.
आदेर धातुर गह then dug yes
Ekacho basho bhash Jashantasya. Stuhoho.
भषन्तस्य ओहो then जसन्ते form is ready ससजुषोरु खरवसानयोर् विसर्जनीयः
Dugbyah.
भ्यः दुह धन ङसि प्रत्यय will be
duhaha
वह धन भ्याम form will be first duh will turn into dugh bhyam by dadir dhatur gah then the will turn into dhakara by ekacho basho bhat jhasantasya dvoh Then Ghakar will turn into Gakar by Jhalanjashunte. So Dug Bhyam is the form. Then Duha Dhanabhyas.
The bhyam should be dirgha. Above. Duh. Yes.
Duha Dhanabhyas. What will be the prakriya? This Maukik, you can tell, I can write the answer.
Vyaha.
Duha, Ha will turn into Ghakara by Sutra.
Dadir Dhato Gaha.
Dadir Dhatur Gha.
And then by Ekacho Basho Bhash Jashantasya Dhoho.
Correct.
Dakara will change into Dhakara.
Ghakara will turn into Gakara by Jhalam Jashunte.
And then Jalam Jashunte.
We are skipping some steps. Dhana Ngas. Form will be
Duhaha.
Duha. Duha. Duh. Dhana. Os. What will happen here?
Duhoho.
Oh. Dhana Am. Duha Dhana Am.
Duham.
Dhana Ni.
Duhi.
Os.
Duhoho.
Oh. Sasarshoro. Kharavasano. Sajaniya. Now Duh. Dhana Su. Here we need.
So Dadir Dhatoho Gaha. So Hakara change into Dhakara.
Dadir Dhatur Gha. Next step will be
Dakara will change into Dhakara.
okay. Dhu Gha Su. Sutra is
Vasho bhas jashantasya dhoho.
Kacho Basho Bash. Yeah. Ho. Now
Jashantasya.
Jalan Jashwanti will be
Duksu.
applicable. Jalan Jashwante. Okay, next.
Yes, Duksu.
Okay.
Adesha pratyayoho.
No.
Adesha. So far we saw in only, but the in kavarga bhyam, that is the, these are the two reasons, two hetus. One is in pratyahara letter and second is this kavarga letter. Now we have kavarga letter and there is pratyayavayava sakara. Pratyayavayava sakara will turn into shakara because it is preceded by kavarga letter. In kavargabhyam parasya apadantasya. It is apadanta adesha pratyayavayavascha sakara. It is not adesha but it is pratyayavayava sakara. That will turn into murdhanya shakara. So this will happen. Dug. Adesha pratyayayoho. Now Now what will happen?
G will change into K.
हाँ 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 G will change into this is the situation, but one sutra will be applicable here. Which sutra will be applicable? It will turn into Ka. Is
Karavas, Kariche.
get the final form Dukshu. Now Duha Saptami is over. Duha Dhanasu. Again. Prathama Bhakti equation for Sambodhana. We are taking. So Duha Dhanasu, Duha Dhanasa. Kara disappeared. Upadeshi Janasake Tasya Lopaha. Now, what will happen here? Same prakriya for Prathama Bhakti we have done. There is no particular rule for Sambodhana. It will come when Rajan etc. we will decline. But for now there is no.
Halgyabhyo suti se priktam hal.
Halgyabhyo dirghat suti se priktam hal. Duh dhana sa will disappear. Sutra is hal nyabhyo dirghat sutis. Now do what will happen now?
He duhe
Dhatu. Dade Dhatur Gha.
Correct. Odha is prapta, but Dadir Dhatur Gha comes and her turns into Gha. So Dugh is Dadir Dhatur Gha. We need the condition what Dadir Dhatur Gha Jali Padanteche. There is no Jal, but there is Padantatva. So therefore turns into Gha. Now what will happen? Dugh.
Ekacho Basho.
So Jashantasya Oho.
Chalam Jashwante.
Correct. So Dugh Jashonte. Okay. Then
dhuk.
Karicha.
Vava. So thus we get two forms. He Dugh and He Dugh. He Dugh. He Dugh. Next is Duh Dhana Au. Form is
He duhau.
Duh Dhana is
Heduhah.
Duhaha.
Heduha. Here Shabda gets over. Duk duk, duhav duhaha, duham duhav duhaha, duha, dubhyam dubhi, duhe dubhyam dubhya, duha dubhyam dubhya, duha duham, duhi duho, dukshu. He duk, he duhav, he duha. So Shabda is over. Now these are the simple forms. Here our sutra is also over. It दादेर धातुर घ जली पदांतेचे उपदेशी दादेर धातु हस्य घस्य धातु हस्य घस्य. And here dhukshu, this is where the duha dhatu, which we turned into noun and we declare, that gets over. Now there are some dhatu which will end with hakara. Yes. Oh no, sorry. There are dhatus which will end with hakara, which again will have this bash. The ekach anga will be there, bash later will be there, will end with jash later, and there are some again specific karyas for those dhatus. What are those dhatus? Let's read the sutra here. First we will read sutra and then we will see how it comes. Vadruha muhash nuhash niham. Vadruha muhash nuhash niham. Vadruha muhash nuhash niham. Now this is the order. Let's come back here. Hodha dhatoh hasya dhah syat. Dadehe dhatoh hasya gah syat. Correct? Dadehe dhatoh hasya gah syat. Now Hodha sutra tells that hakara will turn into dhakara. Dadehe dhatoh hasya ghakara syat. And next sutra, this says that druha, muha, shnuha, shniha of these dhatus, the hakara will turn into ghakara, will turn into dhakara optionally. Optionally, these particular dhatus will take the hakara, ghakara as well as dhakara. So dhakara later will turn into dakara, takara, and ghakara will turn into gakara, kakara. So total 4 forms we will get. Okay. Here. Esham, kesham. Esham, these are the dhatu. Druha jighamsayam, muha vaichitya, shnuha udgirane, shniha prito. Okay. Druha, muha, shnuha, shniha. Of these dhatus, hasya, hakarasya, gha syat, jhali padantecha. Jhali syat padantecha, ghakara syat, va vikalpena. Vikalpena it will happen. And if it turns into ghakara, then we will get these 2 forms, druk, druk. When it does not turn into ghakara, then what will happen? Hodha sutra will be applicable, because hodha general sutra it is. So that's how ha turns into dhakara, dhakara later turns into dakara, takara, and drut, drud. These 2 forms we get. So that thus we get 4 forms for prathama vibhakti ekvachan. For sambodhan also we get 4 forms. Okay. Again, few forms we will get for saptama vibhakti ekvachan. There the dasya dhut will come. So that's how these are some specific characteristics for these specific dhatus. I think we will see them in the next class. Should we do Shantipat Swamiji?
Yes.
Let's do Shantipat.
Hmm.
Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om. Hari Om.
Oh man. Sorry, I was late. I had to. Maharaji just came from the hospital, so we had to receive him. Oh man.
Hari Narayanji, sorry I was out and I couldn't respond properly. I'm sorry.
No problem.
Hari Om.
Hare Om.